Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to reset the change engine oil soon indicator on your Pontiac Torrent or Chevy Equinox. What you need to do right now, you need to go to those buttons and click on the information right here until on the screen you have the message that says oil life remaining and whatever percentage, and now you just hold this button down until the indicator resets. Oil life remaining 100% now. So now it's all reset and you can just click that highway button, and now when you start the vehicle it should go away. Okay, let's check it now. And as you can see, no warnings, no change engine oil soon message or light on your dashboard. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.